Today, we would also like to uh, introduce a book released by one of our eminent professors, Dr. Dayananda Babu. So I'm just thinking whether to postpone it till the end. I think there are enough members here, so I just briefly take about 5 minutes to do that before we actually go into the meeting. So Dayananda Babu sir is a professor who has taught me right from MBBS, and he's been professor and HOD at Kottayam for several years, and thereafter he worked in as HOD in Pushpagiri and then in Gokulam. Uh, and he also had FRCS conferred on him a few years ago, and he what is projected now is a book. Uh, Surgical handicrafts, which is a manual for house surgeons and postgraduates, and even junior consultants, anybody who is doing in-house procedures, especially in the emergency room. And we had a pie surgical handicraft when we were young and we were students, and it is no longer being edited or fresh copies are not being sold. And this is something which is most recent. He had this book released earlier on, and today in the February of this year, he published his second edition, in about 169 extra pages, and it is a treatise for every postgraduate. And I request every postgraduate across the world to buy and use it, because it will be something like, any procedure you want to do, the exact method, whatever you need to know about that is there in this book. And I request Dr. Binny John also to say a few words about this.
Thank you, Dr. Sunil, for giving me this opportunity to speak on one of my favorite teachers in surgery. I was a postgraduate under the Babu sir from 1994 onwards, when he returned from his service from Gulf country, Saudi Arabia. I just remember those days when he has mesmerized the PG classes with his surgical knowledge and his unique way of teaching. That has been, all this knowledge and expertise has been summarized into the two books he has published close to his retirement. One is Clinical Pearls in Surgery, which is largely used by postgraduates world over. It has been even translated to Chinese recently. And this new book, which is in second edition now, Surgical Handicraft by Babu sir, actually is a roadmap to postgraduates and house surgeons for the day-to-day surgical practice. Actually, all the surgical PGs and house surgeons should make use of this book. And sir has put a lot of effort to update all the techniques and knowledge in this book. I hope as he does it in every edition of Clinical Pearls in Surgery. I wish all the best for this second edition of Surgical Handicraft by one of my dearest teachers. All the best, sir.
Thank you, Binny. I request Dayananda Babu sir to share your feelings on this occasion.
Thank you, Sunil, and thank you, Binny, for those nice words. This book is freely available, maybe in all medical bookshops, especially in Kottayam, the Vice shop, it is available. And I just, I'm very happy that Binny is remembering old days, and I'm very, very happy for the nice words. I don't know whether Binny has gone through this book or not.
The second edition, I'll get it, sir. I'll get it.
Okay, thank you. Because why I wanted to introduce this book to this forum is that it was not maybe a lack of communication in Kottayam area regarding this book. So that is the reason, because I went to Pai's shop and book is there. So I feel that the matter regarding this book should reach the readers, that is mainly the postgraduates. So encourage your postgraduates, and the topics are nicely given. The new topics introduced are very much basics required for the PGs, like the intestinal anastomosis, vascular anastomosis, feeding jejunostomy, surgical nutrition, and the old basics like tube thoracostomy, urinary catheterization, nasogastric tube, resuscitation in trauma, surgical site infection. The problem with the old PIEs is it is not being revised. They are just taking reprint in between and selling. So, and many things given in the old PIEs is obsolete. So that is why this book, and in spite of the difficulties during COVID, I have revised it completely. The new topics, especially the consent, informed consent, breaking the bad news, all those things are included. So my appeal to all uh, the postgraduates and the maybe house surgeons and the unit chief is to encourage them to buy, procure, and read. Nowadays, they go for online access only, whatever it may be. Uh, Reading, especially the content, is required by the members of the profession, especially the junior members. So thank you, Sunil, for the opportunity. Thank you, Bini, for the nice words. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.